Are you concerned that the court, Neil, is becoming just another politicized entity, that the reverence that people had for the court, from Bush v. Gore on, it feels less like something separate from the politics of the House and the Senate. And I wonder if without Ruth Bader Ginsburg there, does that just get worse?
Well, Bush versus Gore was an undoubtedly very dark moment for the court, but I think the court has done a lot to recover and to really remind all Americans that they make decisions not on politics. Sometimes maybe those considerations come in some cases, but just take this year, for example. You had, President Trump's two appointees, Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh, voting against him in the tax returns case. You had Chief Justice John Roberts and Trump's nominee, Trump's appointee, Neil Gorsuch, voting against Trump in the Title VII case about whether or not LGBT workers are protected in the workplace with discrimination laws. You had Chief Justice Roberts joining the four appointees by Democratic presidents to strike down DACA, the Dreamers program that President Trump had to basically try and, send them back. So you had a bunch of these reminders, and Chief Justice Roberts, of course, famously casting votes to save Obamacare. So, I think it's wrong descriptively to say that this is a court that makes decisions on political, considerations, and also perception-wise. I mean, these are some big cases, and ones that didn't just follow, political preferences. So I don't know that Justice Ginsburg's passing itself will necessarily impact that, except to say, there's an asterisk here, which is the replacement. And we've had some pretty controversial hearings in the past. I certainly think it would be 100% inappropriate for President Trump to try and nominate someone. After all, the Republicans back in 2016 didn't even give Merrick Garland a hearing. If he does so, I think the Democrats would be well within their rights to think about all sorts of recourses of action, including increasing the size of the Supreme Court in a Biden administration. So there will be, I think nobody should monkey with this. This should go through ordinary processes and take the time to nominate someone worthy of our high court.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.